In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a discount program in Odoo Sales. We'll begin by opening the Sales app in Odoo. This is where you'll manage your sales-related features and access the settings needed to activate promotional tools. Once you're inside the Sales app, go to the Configuration menu and then open Settings. This section controls the optional sales features that can be turned on for your database. In the Pricing Options area, look for the setting called Discounts, Loyalty and Gift Card. Go ahead and enable it. This option allows Odoo to support discount programs and other promotional features, which is essential before you can create any discount rules. After enabling it, click Save to apply the change. It's always important to save at this stage, otherwise the feature may not be available in the next menu. Next, go to Products and then open Discount and Loyalty. From there, click New to create a new program. You'll now be on the form where the discount setup is defined. Start by entering a clear program name, such as 10% discount. Giving the program a straightforward name makes it easier to identify later, especially if you plan to create multiple promotions. After that, open the program type field and select the promotion or discount option that best fits the campaign you want to run. This determines how the program behaves, so choose the option that matches your intended use. Now configure the main program details. Set the currency and price list if needed, then define the start date and end date so the promotion only runs during the intended period. You can also limit usage if you want to control how many times the promotion can be applied, and select the appropriate company if your Odoo environment includes more than one. These settings help ensure the discount applies only in the right context. The next part is choosing how the discount is triggered. Set the program trigger based on how you want customers to receive or activate the promotion. This could affect whether the discount is applied automatically or under specific conditions, so make sure it aligns with your sales process. Under Conditional Rules, click Add a Rule. This is where you define the requirements customers must meet to qualify for the promotion. For example, you can set a minimum purchase amount, specify eligible products, define quantities, or use any other available conditions relevant to your offer. Then move down to Rewards and click Add a Reward. Choose Discount as the reward type, and enter the discount percentage or fixed amount you want to give, such as 10% off the order. Once your rules and reward are fully configured, save the discount program. And that's it. Your discount program is now ready to be used in Odoo Sales.